Welcome to the Yukon in North 61. I started backpacking in 1978 and I've seen three main generations of stoves, so let's take a look at that today. First generation was the old Swedish stoves, and I love these old stoves. Here's a 111. This is a 111T. It's my favorite of the 111 variants. And this is a wonderful stove, great simmer. Really works well. Half a liter tank there. However, filled with gas, this thing weighs 4 pounds. So great canoeing stove, not really a backpacking stove. Even with a group, you can do better than that. Although if you had a group of 4 people, it would cook for 4, which is 1 pound each. But it's still an awfully big, heavy, rugged piece. That's a great canoe stove. I don't think that's a backpacking stove. Even in 78, that wasn't a backpacking stove. Lots of power, 10,000 BTU. This little guy inside this little outdoor research is my favorite of these. There's the Sve 123, but this one uses the Sve 123 burner, and this is the Optimus 99. What I like about this, it's got an integral pot. Nice little windscreen. I use it with the optional 1.5 ounce pump, mini pump. And it also comes with a nice little, very light. So there's your pot. So, all things considered, full of fuel. Now, what is it, 1/4 of a liter or less? Only enough fuel for a couple of days, 3 days maybe. So it's a good weekend stove. But you don't need to bring a pot. And of course, a pot is going to weigh a little bit too. So even if you get a nice, that's aluminum, even if you get a nice titanium pot, the pot has weight. So you can get away there with 2 pounds with a pot rather than 4 pounds plus a pot, so you're looking at nearly 5 pounds to do your cooking with that thing. So let's light this up and see how it works. Okay, we do a preheat. Now listen to that sound. That's the sound that this stove makes. For whatever reason, my pump's not working perfectly, so. But if you hear that, it's kind of making that sound. That's the sound that it's really moving. All right, that's boiling, and that's about 7 minutes in. What killed those stoves was the MSR design. The MSR came out with a Model 9, and I bought a Model 9, where I rented a Model 9 just to take a look at it, but it was an old Model 9. Didn't burn that hot. I'm sure it was much better when it was new. But basically MSR came out with the stoves that had little part stoves. And they just kind of blew the competition away. It was a new idea. It kind of took the field by storm. So this is the Whisperlite International. It's a really good stove. I like it. Now this little baby is about a pound, just over a pound with an empty fuel bottle. And then you add fuel. So this is a 22 ounce fuel bottle, so I've got it at about 1 pound 14 ounces now. Plus another couple of ounces for the bag and the windscreen and all that sort of stuff. It does have a aluminum windscreen, which I won't show you now. And then you have to have a pot. So, I mean, there's a titanium pot, 4 ounces. You get a little bigger pot than that, it's about 6 ounces. I'm going to use my 11 ounce pot, so I might not take camping, but just for demonstration purposes. So, we'll get this baby going and you'll take a look at, this is the Whisperlite, we'll take a look at how it goes. So, we'll get it back when it's going. I'm doing an alcohol preheat today just because I'm inside and it burns a lot cleaner than the gas, but anyway, we'll get it going when she's burning. 3 minutes. So in 3 minutes, this little guy is, look at the whole rolling boil in there, Mother.
Nice.
Yeah. So that was 3 minutes even for 2 cups. So that stove with gas, it's about 2 pounds, but there's enough gas there to last you easily a week. And plus whatever your pot is. So if you get a nice 8-ounce pound, that's 2.5 pounds for your cooking set. Here's a 6-ounce pot that I got for Father's Day, which is pretty appropriate. That's made out of titanium. Look at the size of it for 6 ounces. It's kind of unbelievable. That's the MSR Titan. Now, I don't want you to get the wrong idea about these MSR detachable bottle stoves. This is an amazing stove because it puts out just as much heat as the 111 at half the weight. So this will work to -40, and the other great thing is it'll melt a lot of snow. So for really tough expedition use, this is still the way to go. But for the summer, there is one thing a little better. Generation 3 was with the these integrated stoves. So unlike the MSR, which was all parts, and you got to put the parts together and put the pump in and all that sort of stuff, these are all integrated. They're one piece. You still have to put them together, but they're really nicely designed. This is my favorite of them. The jet boil was the first one. This is the wind burner. I like the wind burner a lot better. First of all, it's an MSR. It comes with an eating cup. It comes with the pot, and everything's designed to fit inside. It comes with the fuel. It comes with a little cleaning pad, and that is all weighs 1 pound 5 ounces. So this is a little beauty. This does not have an integrated sparker, but easy to light, and she's all just one piece. You can put it's got a little stabilizer on it, and this is Generation 3. Generation 3 it's a really nice design.
Hi, I'm going to light the wind burner. I turn it on, I light a match, and I light it.
Now this is got a flameless burner, but you'll see that little red thing. That means she's rolling. That little red wire is the indicator wire. Because if it's in really bright, you can't see that it's going.
It's boiling. 2 minutes, 40 seconds.
All right. How do you turn that off, Jane?
I assume I turn it towards me. Is that correct? Then I'll do that. Ooh, very easy. Very user-friendly.
Okay. The only problem with these stoves is when it's below about -10, they don't work so good. But that's Generation 3. Thanks.